Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. We're with Paul. And Paul, this is your 1963 Ford F100?
Yep.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And you were saying it was your uncle's?
It was my uncle's originally plumbing truck. Yeah.
Wow.
For his business.
Yeah.
He bought it in '63 off the showroom floor.
Holy cow.
Yep.
In the St. Louis area, or?
Actually, he was down in southern Missouri.
Okay.
Down around. I think he was down around. I don't know. Oh shit! I can't think of it.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah.
So southern Missouri.
Southern Missouri.
And
yep.
how long have you owned the truck? And then
I've owned the truck for almost 20 years.
Wow. And
Yeah.
when did you start doing the work on it?
About 3 years ago.
Okay. What did you do with the first 17 years? What did
Sat in my barn.
Okay.
Couldn't afford to fix it up.
Yeah.
So just let it sit there and do its thing.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, I'm going to wander around, and can you tell me about the color, the paint?
Yeah, it's a PPG color. Joe Hennessy with Midnight Auto Supply. He's the one that painted it.
Okay.
And we went through many colors, and this was the colors that we decided to
Yeah.
match up with it. So
Yeah, the two-tone really.
it actually made the PPG calendar.
Oh, did it really?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
guy came out and photo shot it yesterday, actually.
Oh. So you're going to get spoiled. You get
Well,
a video, and then you get a photo shoot.
Yeah, yeah.
And I was asking you about the tires on the back end. You said they're 12-inch wide?
Yeah, well, those are 20 by 12s, and then staggered 18 by 7s up front.
Okay.
It's got the Crown Vic front end underneath it, 302, 8.8 rear end of an Explorer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I open the
Absolutely.
the door?
Go for it.
I saw you pull in.
Yeah.
Well, you need muscles to push that button.
Yep.
I saw you pull in, and I thought, oh man, that's a great looking truck.
Yep. We still got a little wiring to fix up underneath the dash.
Yeah. Very, very nice. What is your favorite thing about the truck, Paul?
Just that my uncle owned it,
Yeah.
you know, and I send him pictures, and he's just,
Oh, he's still alive
he's
then?
in awe
Yeah.
about it. you
Yeah.
know?
Yeah,
Yeah.
completely. What did you say? It was turquoise?
It was turquoise green.
Yeah.
The original '63 color.
Yeah. Yeah, slightly different now.
A little bit different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And can you pop the hood?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. Believe it or not, I just made the door panels last night in
Oh,
my
really?
garage. Yeah.
Ready for your photos, and then
Right. Well, I was supposed to be at the F100 Grand Nationals this weekend,
yeah,
but I saw the weather and I was like,
Yeah.
I'm not doing that. So
it rained like a big dog today.
Yeah.
And this is a 302?
that's a 302 out of 87 F-150. Yep.
Wow. It looks so big though.
We did a little bit of work to it.
Yeah.
You know, it runs pretty strong, but
Now, are these the original interfaces?
Yeah.
Really?
original. Yeah.
They look like something that would be made recently.
Nope.
Yeah, that is slick on the inside there. Beautiful.
What a great setup. How is it for power?
It's got plenty.
Plenty? More than enough, huh?
More than enough to get me in trouble.
Yeah.
That's what you always gotta say. Plenty. That's all you gotta say, and then they know. They know you got good power. What is that? What size motor?
302.
Oh, 302.
Yeah.
Okay.
And do you mind starting it up, Paul, so we can
No,
hear the...
absolutely.
Love to hear it. I'm going to slide around to the back.
63 with the 64 bed. Yeah.
My uncle's dad used to have a black one with that kind of shed. I wanted to get that thing for my first truck and fix it up. We're not gonna sell it for my
So it's a elevated floor?
Yep. Elevated 6 inches
Okay.
so we could tuck the rear end.
Yes. Boy, that's a
Man,
great
some
sound.
Nice work, man.
Yeah, we made the bed and everything.
Yeah, that's slick. Really nice. That is nice. Are those like the transport wheels that's in the back on that?
What's
like
that,
the,
bud?
the rim? Is that like a transport rim where it doesn't have no holes? Your rear
Yeah,
rims?
it's US
Yeah.
US steel,
Okay, yeah.
steel wheelie.
Yeah.
Anything we haven't covered, Paul, that we need to talk about before we wrap it up?
I don't think so, man. Crown Vic front end,
Yeah.
8.8 rear end of an Explorer, C6 training, 302. Pretty basic stuff.
Yeah. And I forgot to even look. Is it a automatic or is it manual?
Yeah, C6 automatic.
Okay.
Yep.
Right on. Well, thank you so much. What a
Yeah,
beautiful
you bet.
truck.
Thank you, man.
Thanks for sharing it,
Appreciate
telling
it.
us the story behind
Yeah,
your truck.
absolutely.